Racing. Going to pick up my block today. It's been a couple months, but I did tell them no rush, so. Alright, there's my stuff. 700 bucks later. So I'm gonna take it home and take a look at it, but pretty excited. I'm gonna stop at the car wash. You gotta keep this rusty truck clean. Here's the receipt. 700 bucks. Basically the main thing was resurfacing, boring out the cylinders, checking stuff, checking the clearances, whatever. A lot of these 60 bucks a pop for some of this, just to see if the parts fit together. But you know, now I know my block's good, no cracks. I have the crank too that they polished. So basically this is still the factory or matching VIN number Y7 block that came with the car, and it will be paired with my second Y8 head. I had a little problem with my first one, even though it drove fine, and I had that worked on by a friend. He ported it and cleaned it all up and lapped in the valves and all that stuff. Put new springs and retainers in it. I think they're the Brian Crower steel springs and retainers. But yeah, everything looks really good. Check out that hone. And my epoxy is like a little bit different color than when I dropped it off, and I think it looks really solid. Flip her over. So yeah, they even align honed the mains here, so everything should really be good to go. Pumped. And I'll quickly just show you the parts that are going in it. These are the YCP Vitara pistons. They're 1/2 mil over, 75.5 millimeter. And yeah, floating wrist pin. 4 of those for my 4-cylinder. And then I got the Speed Factory no notch long rods, I think they call them, no notch long rods, specifically for these pistons. And I'm not sure if they had to hone out some of these rods or not, but whatever they did, whatever they had to do, they did. Those are nice. Those came with, oh, they're in there, duh. They came with the ARP rod bolts. And yeah, King Racing bearings there. And I guess I'll go grab the head and show you the head too. Okay, here's the stuff for the head. ARP head bolts, JE Pro Seal, head gasket, and then yeah, my buddy also welded on a -10 bung for a breather tube on my valve cover. And then here is my Y8 head. Yeah, he did a really good job cleaning this thing up. Got fresh surface there. Valves all lapped in. And then the cool thing that he did, it's gonna be hard to see, but he poured it out. He poured it out my head for me, just a little hand port. And yeah, really pumped. I think it came out really good. And yeah, like I said, it has those Brian Crower steel springs and retainers. yeah, I tried to get better lighting, but... And look how clean this came out. It's kind of amazing. So yeah, should be putting her back together pretty soon. And I have a lot of other stuff to do too, so I'll try to keep putting out the videos. Oh, and one more thing, here's a little bracket that I painted, and I was thinking about doing the whole engine block like this, so what do you think? It might clean it up a little bit. Alright, that's it.